trade boosters. This simple strategy might just turn your $100 into $10,000. Let's get right into it. Now, this strategy is one of the most simple strategies that I've ever come across. Very simple. You simply need to follow the buy and sell signals, which is actually crazy, but it does work. All right, so I'm going to go back in time a little bit just to confirm everything with you guys. All right, so the good thing about this strategy is that it actually works. All right, and it doesn't repaint. So let's get started. All right, now let's say there's a sell here. We have a sell right here. That was a nice trade right there. See, we take a buy right here. It's a buy signal. Stop loss down here. You're gonna target somewhere here. There's highs. That was a nice trade. Would not have taken that sell because this is an uptrend. So you want to move with the overall trend. All right, that is very important. Very, very important. So this is a buy right here. Stop loss underneath this low. Stop loss underneath this low. You're gonna target this high right there. It's a nice trade. That was a sell right there. We would not have taken it because of the trend. That's a nice buy, as you can see. Stop loss here. There. That was a nice sell right there. Stop loss here. Take profit there. As you can see, there's more buy opportunities. I wouldn't say take every buy signal. Make sure that it's worth the buy, to be honest. But so far so good. There's a buy right there. Stop loss underneath the zone. As you can see, this was a huge buy opportunity that was presented here. You can see. So yeah, overall, I would say it's a good strategy. It does, however, need you to combine it with something else to make it more smooth, so you don't take every single buy or sell signal, because not all of them are actually great. So try to combine it with something else, and yeah, let me know what you think. But according to what you can see, great strategy, and it definitely is profitable. So I'm pretty sure you can turn it from $100. You can turn your account from $100 all the way to $10,000. See you on the next one.